Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to update Microsoft Defender. Okay, it's actually pretty easy to do. Now in here, just go to the bottom right and you'll be able to see your taskbar. Okay, in here, just go ahead and tap on the shield icon. This is for Windows security or Microsoft Defender. Okay, now if you can't find it right here, just type in your search bar Defender like so. And once that's done, just go ahead and click on Windows Security. Okay, this page will open. So what we're going to do in here is just click on Virus and Threat Protection. Okay, you can go ahead and click on Virus and Threat Protection here as well in the left panel, like so. Then go ahead and go to Virus and Threat Protection Updates. Okay, as you can see here, today is June 2, so it is currently up to date. Now, if you want to check, just go ahead and click on Protection Updates. Okay. Now in here, just click on check for updates, wait for it to finish. And once done, as you can see here, it says update successful. You can now go ahead and restart your computer, and once done, do whatever you want on your computer. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.